Welcome everyone. Today we're drawing a cute cartoon Christmas stocking. Let's start in the center of the page at the bottom edge of the fur. We start on the left side. We're going to draw a series of curves that come around and up. Now we're just going to work our way across towards the right side. Now you can vary the size of these curves, adding some larger ones and smaller ones, going up to right about there. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to work our way around the top. So going around the side, just going to bend these up and then down. And again, just working our way across, and we want to vary the size of these curves. Just close off the end with one more curve. Let's go all the way over to the left side. We're going to draw the back side of the stocking, then this out, and then down towards the bottom. Let's curve the bottom of the stocking coming down, and then up towards the right. Now we want to bend this back in. So coming around the toe, and we'll bend that in. Now let's go back up to the top. Just going to bend this down and then out on top of that fold. Now inside the stocking, we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, going all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap and draw that same size circle on the right side. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side, coming around and in. And then along the bottom right side of each eye, add a smaller circle. And it'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's go in between the eyes and across the bottom, draw a straight line going across the top of the mouth. Go back to the left side, we're going to open up the mouth. We're going to come down and then back up. Let's draw a line across the top for the teeth, and then a curve across the bottom for the tongue, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now I want to add a candy cane inside the stocking on the left. So let's start up here, draw a straight line going up, round at the top, and then bring that down towards the bottom. And then from here, it's going to round at the bottom of the candy cane. Let's follow this curve along the outside. We go all the way up toward the top, round this out, and then come back down on top of the stocking. Let's add those stripes inside the candy cane. Starting from the bottom left, we're going to angle this up and out, step up, draw them again. Now as you come around this turn, we're just going to rotate those lines. Go all the way around. Let's wrap that fur across the back in behind that candy cane. Starting from the left side, we're going to bend this up and then in behind. Continue on the right. We want to bring this down towards the right side. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there we have it. There's a cute cartoon drawing of a Christmas stocking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.